Yo, what up? It's a boy Kim back again. Wow, it's been a minute. It's been a minute. Oof. I'm back, man. I'm back with some more TA, with um, some more Kim's spice. Let's see what the market is doing. Visually, GMT is still doing its thing. Doge still doing its thing. USDL still doing its thing. Guys, this stablecoin that has just lost its peg tremendously, as if it's no longer, it's not a stablecoin. Crazy, man. I've never heard of it. I saw it yesterday when it found 30% after a drop of like 60%. It's crazy, really crazy. So before I get into the charts, let's do what we always do. Uh, that I've forgotten the first couple of days. Let's collect some diamonds. Aha. Collect some diamonds, baby. Okay, done. Good. Then come to Gecko. Collect some candies. Gecko is over capacity. Please wait a moment. Lately, Gecko has been doing this bullshit, which is okay. I mean, that means they're doing well. Funding rate right now should be negative. We are seeing a lot of selling pressure. I believe so. Yeah, it's negative. A lot of selling pressure going on, which means we have more shorts in the market than longs. Like, let's see the first 24 hours. Yes, I saw something here. Like top position. What does that mean? Like, okay. Mm. All right. Lunar crash. Anything? Let's just you know address the chart first. But before we do that, I have like these two things I want us to check out. Very important. This is a monthly monthly time frame, and you can see from the monthly time frame the crypto total market cap, uh, including Bitcoin and altcoins, all of them. We just broke this downtrend to the upside, which means is we are in an alt season. All is doing well. We just broke the $2 trillion market cap, and you can see the market structure is still super bullish. So we have like a short-term bullish position right there for alts. But again, it all depends on what Bitcoin is doing. And you can see here from this what is it called? This this is what is it called? Man, I'm forgetting. Yeah, this is the market cap BTC dominance. So how much is Bitcoin dominating when it comes to altcoins? And this helps us to know how strong Bitcoin is. Okay, and anytime the dominance is increasing, meaning Bitcoin is increasing in dominance, and probably it's the only one that's gonna have like good gains um, compared to the rest. But when the dominance is falling, that means it's an alt season, and money is flowing to alts. Basically, the dominance tells us where money is flowing. So when the dominance rises, meaning the money is flowing to Bitcoin. When it falls, that means money is flowing to altcoins, and altcoins are gonna rally more than Bitcoin. Okay, that doesn't mean that Bitcoin is not rallying. That basically means that Bitcoin is rallying, but alts are moving more, getting more, right? You're better off positioned in an alt. But when it's rising, you're better off getting into a position on Bitcoin because money is flowing there, meaning it's moving more, and there's more money to be made, right? Um, this is this other one, the XDY. I'm trying to see how it relates to the market. The XDY is basically the strength of a dollar. Okay, you can see we're also in sort of a range. for the DXDY in terms of the strength of the dollar right there. Okay, strength of the dollar. So this basically means that when the dollar, like right now, when the current dollar strength is going up, that means that more people are seeing dollar as the best currency to hold right now, and money is flowing to the dollar. What does that mean? That means that money is now getting off other risky assets like the stock market, crypto, and this basically explains, also gives more further confirmation on why the market is dumping right now, and that is very evident from this Nasdaq and also the US 30. Nasdaq is basically the top 100 companies, okay, in terms of market cap. You can see we also broke a very long-term trend in a monthly time frame, and we're now headed down, right? That's the Nasdaq. What about the US 30? US 30 is the same thing. US 30 is the top 30 companies in terms of market cap, and you can see we also broke this long-term uptrend. We're now going down, we're now going further down. Ish. There's some flu in the morning, man. Okay, so having said that, now we know why the dollar strength is increasing by day, because people are selling off, the investors, the whales, guys who are really sophisticated in investing are selling off risky assets to to uh, to get dollars, which of course is the dominant reserve currency. Then, which also rings a bell onto the recession that is about to happen, that is being talked about everywhere. So yeah, having how does this help now in the market? This helps to know, like, now when the dollar is falling, we know that this money is flowing somewhere. Where is it going? Definitely going to stocks, definitely going to crypto, to these risky assets. And this is exactly what happens when you see these huge dumps over and over again. And you can see uh, this all these dollars, all this time this happens, uh, directly correlates, it is indirectly correlated to the market. When we see this dump, the market always boom. Okay, and when you see, and now here we are seeing in a range, we have been in a range since 2015, which is not that sweet. Okay, but the fact that we are seeing this uptrend happening, that means that more money is flowing into dollars. More people prefer having dollars than other risky assets, which means people are now deleveraging and um, hedging their risks. So having said all that, now we come back to our main agenda, which is always Papa Fadela, Bitcoin himself. So how about Bitcoin? You can see from the monthly structure, it's super bullish. No one can deny that we are super bullish. Okay, why? Because we came here, formed a higher low, a higher high, uh, retested, formed a higher high, then retested. And note that, guys, we have not yet formed any lower low. We have not yet broken this structure. So unless we break this structure and go below 29K, that's when we're gonna say, hey, now we are officially in a bear market. So it is what it is. So we have had two very green lights. The past 2 months we have had very strong uptrend. Okay, past 2 months, which meant that if you were trading the past 2 months, you had to be like, you had to be on the lookout of longs, because the market was super bullish. So what I learned yesterday from a chick called Madam Forex, apparently said that you should always do top-down analysis, which I agree on. Wow, sorry, which I agree on, because what happens to daily and 4 hour time frames, they basically come to fulfill what's really happening on the monthly and the weekly time frame. So um, if we are seeing a downtrend in the weekly, in the monthly time frame, which is what we are seeing in this month of April, that means it will be wise to look for shorts, right? Yeah, it will be super wise looking for shorts, because basically what we are trying to do here is fulfill what the monthly and the weekly time frame are intend or um, are doing. So if we do a top-down analysis, that helps us now to understand how price action is going to happen, is happening in the daily time frame. Okay, and this of course is for swingers, but it's also good for scalpers because now you know the overall trend of the market on a larger time frame to give you strong buyers when it comes to lower time frame. So weekly time frame, you can see we've also started. Last week was also a bear week. This week is also, but last week we had like a doji because of buying pressure and also selling pressure. But sellers clearly won, and you can see we are now going back to retest this value area. I don't know if you're going to retest it and then go further up, or you're gonna come all the way down to this channel. Okay, so having said that, you know we're also looking for shorts again uh, on the weekly time frame, and if you look at the daily again, we also had a very bearish day yesterday, broke this trend. I don't know if you guys can see it. We had like this strong uptrend right here, and we broke it. We broke it. I don't know if this can come all the way here. Will this make sense? Yeah, down here making sense. Kind of. Can we take it down? Yeah. So we are like 1 2 3, that touch, and if it so happens to work, that means that we are gonna come all the way down here to have a that touch as well on this trend line before we go further up. So I mean everything is aligned for shorts as we've seen from the monthly time frame. So you can see us coming all the way down here or retesting this value area before we see that further upside, and I'll be looking forward to that. We have not seen any news that will prove me otherwise, but we are today we're gonna see the Bitcoin Miami conference start 2022, and I thought that's gonna be bullish, but let's see what's gonna happen. Watching the market super closely. Yeah, for shorts, guys. I'm looking for shorts. I'm looking for shorts. So if you are looking to get in the market, like this is a nice opportunity to short that clean 5% right there from Bitcoin. And yeah, let me just chat other charts right here very quickly before I leave because I know what's really happening. So again, if you are seeing a dump in Bitcoin, then obviously you're gonna see a dump in the rest of these coins. So what's gonna happen? I'm seeing as again, let's start from the monthly time frame. So in the monthly time frame for Luna, guys, you can see we are super bullish. Like we are super bullish. Luna's been bullish ever since. Oh my God, ever since 2020, Luna's been on an uptrend. Like there's nothing that's stopping Luna, and still Luna is still undervalued because the project has not yet been fully utilized. People don't really understand the power of USD, the decentralized algorithmic stablecoin. So as people realize it, I think Luna is just gonna go further, further. Now the fact that it broke this all-time high of 101, broke this other new high of 104, 111. It's crazy where it's headed, and you can see the monthly is super bullish, and they have a mini target here of 150, which tells me that yo, bro, you should be looking for longs, not shorts. As much as the market is super bearish, this Luna market has been super bullish. But guys, you can see here we've been in an uptrend for the past 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 months, weeks. So it will be wise, man, to like get like candlestick, one red candlestick in the weekly time frame that will come back to test these all-time highs before we go further up. Like that would be super necessary. Yeah, although we saw that here in the daily time frame, but I would really love like another retest before we go further up. So I'm really looking forward to see what Bitcoin does, and if Bitcoin goes further down, I believe this is also going to calm down, and I'm gonna collect it at around the same area and guys I said, we are only looking for longs for Luna because it has already proven to be strong in momentum. There's a lot of volume in Luna right now. Uh, so yeah, makes totally sense. That's Luna. So Luna is also on my radar. Like yesterday, you see, if you shorted yesterday, you would have made some good dough. And my bro, Dick, I hope man you did this shot. This shot was amazing. This shot was clean, man. Look at that, guys. This is a clean shot. And if Bitcoin continues to go further down, you're gonna see it come all the way to 105. If not, you're gonna see a clean bounce here. But this was a clean shot. I asked my boy to short it. I hope he shot it. This was nice, man. This is clean. This is a clean shot. Like clean shot. Yeah. You see? That was a clean shot. Clean. Like, yeah. Yesterday, if you followed me, my analysis in my TikTok live. Guys, if you're not on my TikTok live, make sure you join because this is where I do all this analysis, give those signals. Uh, yeah, that's for Solana. Amazing. XRP. I'm looking at the coins that have enough volume that you guys can trade. I'm not looking for coins. I'm not just guessing what to do. When you come to CoinMarketCap, okay, when you come to CoinMarketCap and you click this volume bar right here, okay, they'll give you the in descending order the tokens that have the most volume. You can see a Doge is rising with almost 6 billion in volume. We have the others are stable coins. Now from there we have Luna with 2.7, Solana, BNB, XRP. So I'm looking at these coins that have enough volume. That's why I'm chatting them. So I'm gonna chat Doge as well. But the reason why I don't like chatting Doge because Doge right now has become like uh, one in a once time, like it's a one time thing. Elon Musk trends, Dogecoin pumps. So you basically be looking for Elon Musk and what he's doing. If he's trending, make sure you on Doge because Doge is probably gonna pump. So looking at this XRP chart tells me that we are also still super bullish on the 90 time frame. We've not yet broken any structure. This was the last support. If we broke this now, we have broken structure. But we did it. So we bounced off that nicely. But we have also not broken this long-term trend line, which is not the case with almost all ads. Most altcoins have broken this long-term trend. And if you break this, having this strong resistance right here, if you break this, I believe um, it's a good catch at around $1. It would be a very nice catch. And then looking at the target of 1.3, if you break that to form a higher high. But that all depends how Bitcoin behaves. XRP has basically become a stable coin. It's even holding its peg strongly than USDN, which is pumping however it wants. Crazy, right? Look at next USDN surely. What is this, guys? It's just crazy what this thing did. It's a stable coin, but it lost its peg to 0.64. And now people bought it thinking it's gonna go back to $1. Now it just stagnated right at 0.9. It's crazy. It's crazy what's happening. So that's pretty much it for charts. Let's meet in my TikTok live at around 10 a.m. and 8 p.m. Yeah, meanwhile, let's make sure you check Lunar Crash, look, give your opinions. I invest based on on-chain activity. Yes, that's very true. I purchased an NFT on blockchain than Ethereum, of course. Solana is the best. DeFi insurance will be a major trend this year, absolutely. People want insurance with their money. Over cryptocurrency prices, yes, I agree, of course. Brands will actively participate in the metaverse. I absolutely agree with that. And when I'm done, I get paid here with some Luna tokens. Then what do I do next? I go directly to the trending news. Let me see what's trending. I don't know where I got some cold. I need some nice cuddle, right? Russia is likely using cryptocurrency to thwart sanctions. That's super bullish for Bitcoin because Bitcoin is the first first love or first solution. Okay. Apple Pay makes chain games onboarding easier than ever. Okay, makes chain games onboarding easier than ever because everybody uses Apple Pay. Most people use Apple Pay. Actually, what percent was that? 40% of people use Apple Pay who have an iPhone, which is amazing. That was like half a billion of guys who use Apple Pay. 500 million guys. And now they're integrating crypto, which is amazing. The Cash App breach impacts millions of US customers. Wow, that was a hack. Oh my god. So yeah, let's go next. One Bitcoin reboots on fourth revolution. Twitter debates the role of renewable energy in Bitcoin mining. Okay, debates. Yeah, that's bullish because we always see that debate where miners are the regulation is against miners in terms of environment uh, effect. Um, but yeah, it's gonna change over time. Bitcoin in Spaniel, mining service from Blockware solution to secure crypto ledger enterprises. Okay, that's the maker of the hardware, the cold wallet called Ledger, which is one of the best ledgers or wallets to have to store your crypto. Okay, so UK regulator FCA to consult crypto industry concerning ecosystem and regulation. Yeah, they should definitely because we need some regulation here. We need to see big investors coming. So anytime there's regulation, things change, but more so for the better because you're gonna see more and more money flowing in because now they know that they are covered, they're secure. Okay, Bitcoin dices with 46k. Elon Musk Twitter buys and Bitcoin at 2 months high. I agree. I mean that they should have asked him what's the impact of Doge because Doge was super bullish. Uh, Board Ape Yacht Club NFT stolen from Taiwanese singer Jay Chu has been sold for 164. Oh, wow, 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 that's emotional damage. Humorous have a problem unlike the COVID-19 vaccines and coincidence. I don't even care about the COVID-19 anymore. New House bill aims to mitigate the risk. El Salvador's adoption of Bitcoin. Amazing. That's super bullish. I mean, these guys will hack it. The official transportation partner for Bitcoin Miami, Dapper Labs, and NFT Dapper Labs is the one that owns this body page club. They just bought it. So, popular Bitcoin ATM operator adds Shiba Inu. Wow, this is amazing. SHIB now is in ATMs. That's super bullish. Why has Bitcoin stock to flow ratio doubled around in a day? I don't really know. Goldman Sachs to offer OTC Ethereum options trading. Wow! Goldman Sachs, one of the biggest banks in the world, now offering over-the-counter options trading, which means you can buy Ethereum over the counter depending. Doesn't matter the amount they have it. Popular BTM operator, Bitcoin of America. Welcome. Shiba Inu. We need these Bitcoin ATMs now here. Metaverse of mind blowing is what we get. I'll check that out. Bulls must defend 45k or else you're gonna go down. Yeah, I agree. Like we need to hold 45k before we go further up. Oh, we go down. That's like the monthly time frame is telling us. So yeah. UK Royal Mint NFT 960k billionaire dog rug. Oh, don't get it. Authorities shut the dark web drug bazaar, seized 25 million Bitcoin. Oh, okay. So yeah, we saw this other dark web drug bazaar. Which was it? Which was the name? Hydra. Yeah, Hydra was a darknet web. German officials have taken control of the servers of Hydra, a long-running dark web black market which boasted some 19,000 sellers and millions of customers. Wow. So I mean the dark things done. Remember, we said that 0.15% of all transactions in crypto are illicit, and this is just part of it, like 25 million in Bitcoin. I mean, that's just a very tiny bit. Bitcoin, uh, Bitcoin market cap is 1 trillion. I mean, yeah, that's super bullish for Bitcoin. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's look at the markets. What's going on? What's the social volume? What is the social engagement? Of course, Bitcoin is always on top right there. Doge, of course, right now because of what's happening with Elon. I don't know why Elon is never here, but it is what it is. Look at Misari. Let's see if we have anything refreshing to see here. These are data sites, guys. You come here to look for data, information, and get educated. Okay. Scramus, this is bright future for crypto, but very worried about US politicians. Okay. Yeah. Don't see anything interesting. There's no bullish news. There's no bearish news. So that's why the market we're seeing it in a super range. Like nothing really concrete is going on. But for me, I would be more on the lookout more of shorts because that's what I feel we have like this short-term short. And if I look at this clearly, can see like we're seeing a bullish flag, which will be great if you see us coming all the way down and then going further up. Pretty much fine, pretty much in tandem with what we want. So, guys, thank you so much for listening to me. Make sure you comment below what you wanna hear. Hit that subscription bell and that notification bell. Let's learn together, guys. It is what it is. So yeah, I'll be looking for shorts this week. I hope you guys do so, unless the market reverses and goes further up, which I don't think so. Let's wait and see. Cheers, guys.